guys, Melissa here, the Happy Way nutritionist, and today I'm going to show you how to cook your tapioca pearls for your boba tea. So I've got 1 cup here of my tapioca balls. Now these you can buy already pre-made from your local Asian grocer. I'm going to then bring 4 cups of water to the boil, and then I'm going to add in 1 cup of my tapioca balls into the water. Allow that to simmer for about 20 minutes until the tapioca balls become nice, soft and chewy. Okay, so we have cooked our tapioca balls for about 20 minutes. They're nice and soft and chewy. I've strained the water. I'm going to pop them back into my saucepan, and while they're still warm, I'm going to pop my coconut syrup over the top. This is just going to stop them from getting all gluggy and sticking together, so it's going to keep them nice and delicious, ready for your boba tea. So if you want the coconut sugar syrup recipe, it is in the captions below. However, it is so simple. It's a 1-to-1 ratio of coconut sugar and water. Okay, so I'm going to start by mixing in my Happy Way boba tea mixture. Okay, so I'm going to pop about a scoop worth, this is our Happy Way scoop, of the tapioca pearls with the syrup into my tumblers. Alrighty, so that's literally it. It's so quick, so delicious to make an at-home, healthy and natural boba tea. So enjoy.